Behold, the elevator at the View Condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. It was once built like 5 years ago, and it's a Delaware elevator. Oh look, lantern here and lantern inside. Go to 5. Close the door. Door close my work out, okay? Go love a niche right here. This is an order. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go check out the view outside. Oh look, Coconut Mallory Hotel I see over there. There's some other condos over there too. And look, I can see the bay from there, the 90 West Bridge. View here. Yep, over there's Sandpiper Dunes where I used to videotape at. And the Adagio condo as well. And over there I can see the ocean from there. But anyways, I'm gonna go back down. I like this lantern so much, and this bracelet too from Delaware. Go to back to 1. Now we get a cab view. Man, this cab is like very nice. I like this nice cab. Certificate here, emergency phone button. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. 2. Okay, 1. Loving this Innovation Universal Fixtures. I sure love these. Innovation Universal Fixtures. Can't believe they built this condo a few years back. Switch to close. That's it.